Welcome back to our channel, Martyr on Beasts. It's Lisa. Just got the keys, so I thought I'd show you first our caravan before even Andy. Peanut's having an inspect. Feels amazing actually to be back in a caravan. Now this is with whole seasons. So we've got the microwave and the toaster. Let me do a quick check. Because I can't see a date on here actually, though. Can't see a date. I'm not sure if that's out of date. I can't even get to the microwave one. But if I'm honest, it's a lovely, got the fire extinguisher. Be careful. So look in here, boiler. So this I actually like. It's beautiful. They've even given us a little welcome pack, which I always take me on. I used to take me on. Oh, some tea bags and coffee. Rock. Never had that with Haven or Park Dean. The kettle. What's the date on the kettle? Again, we can't see, but if I'm honest, it's being picky. Now this is a sea view caravan. Got the cooker, nice and clean. Peanut's making himself at home. Beautiful long settee. And the fire as well. Oh, wow, that's odd. DVD player. I've never had one of those in a caravan. Big TV. I'd say that's definitely bigger than a 42 inch. This is lovely. Now I'm guessing this is the bedroom. Toilet. It is indeed. Let's have a look. Now that is a nice shower. It's clean, yeah. All clean. I mean, I'm being a bit picky, but there's a bit of this here, gravity, whatever you call it. That's probably being a bit picky if I'm truthful. It is lovely and clean inside. A bit of shelving as well for toiletries. It's very clean. God's soap. I haven't seen that for ages. Fridge. Yeah, a little bit of a freezer, which is even better. Right, let's go and have a look at the bedrooms, and then I can go get poor Andy in. Now these are good size beds. Plugs have got USB, which is brilliant. Look at the view out how that's handy, people. Let's quickly show you the other bedroom before I have to get the beast in. Watch out the way, Peanut. Watch out the way. Big bedroom. It's beautiful for the wardrobe. We will do some more videoing, but Andy's out gagging for a tea, so we'll see you in a bit. So toodle pip.
So welcome back to a new vlog. It's the same day as the last vlog. I guarantee Lisa hasn't said welcome to a new vlog when she did the room tour.
I didn't, but to be honest, it was a bit rushed because of the rain.
See? So I'm saying welcome back now. We've got our stuff in. The place is a wreck. I mean, look at the contrast from where Lisa's showed it.
Well, because we haven't sorted everything out. We've got all the laptops and headphones and what. In fact, we haven't even put the microphones on.
We haven't. And this is a very short vlog. If she starts speaking, I promise you I shall throw my shoe at her.
I should probably shoot at you.
I'm just showing you the reason why we're being ad hoc with the mess in here. It's because it's absolutely chucking it down.
Yeah.
So I've been driving for the last 4 hours, been in the car for the last 7 hours. So waiting for keys, waiting for her to buy some more pyjamas at Morrison's.
I didn't buy pyjamas. I bought the baby a little top, and it had something about nanny on it. So.
Well, I'm sure she'll appreciate that when she pukes all over it and has another two in it.
Well, I couldn't decide newborn or 0 to 3 months, but she's going to have so much stuff. can't stop it. It's just there's so much beautiful things. And I'm sorry to my daughter. I'm sorry. I apologise now.
The baby probably won't wear a quarter of the stuff the mother and the granny have brought, and the grannies have brought.
Yes.
She won't, because the time that she's got round to wearing each item, she would have grown out of them.
Well, she can keep it for the next one.
Yes. Or give it back to us and we'll keep the receipt. So yeah, I'm going to end this right now. I am going to do a drone of this place, and we are going to try and it's very hilly, so the scooters are probably a no-go, but we're going to do what we can do. We're going to do a bit of the arcade. We're going to do a bit of the arcade, and then we're going to probably Lisa will go in the shops with her dog collar.
Listen. DVD player. I mean, that looks like its first one that come out. That's got to be 30 years old.
Yeah.
I mean,
have we got any DVDs?
Not on us. We have got some at home, but we don't bloody well use them. We haven't got that much because we got rid of them.
Well, yeah.
I needed space for more pyjamas.
So I'm going to end this. Hopefully we'll get the drone up, as I said, and we'll show you a little site tour. Hopefully, if the weather gives us a break, and if it doesn't, it'll be a very short vlog. We have got a sea view, but you don't quite see it. It's because it's all misty. So anyway, you've got to stay safe, and I'll probably see you later.
So, sorry for looking a mess. I've just got out of, Henry got out of bed. Him indoors, he's filming. Not filming, he's doing some drone. Here it is. He's doing his drone. Now, you can see, he's there all the sea. What a view, look at that. That's the view what we got. And there is his drone up above. Well, look at the view over the back. That is the sea. Peanut's barking. There's a lorry down the bottom. I think he's waste, collecting the waste. But this is a lovely park. And here is the laundrette. But there's his drone. That's his other drone. That's a bit bigger. But it's very nice outside. A bit cold. I imagine this in the summer is very pricey, but very nice. Peanut's waiting to go. Let's go and have a look at this. Come on, Peanut. Peanut, come on. Come on then. Let's go and have a look at this laundrette. If I can get down. Oh dear. I need new legs. Right. The drone is right above. Let's see how much they charge if they am open. Laundrette. Oh, use the other door. Right, use the other door. Come round here then. Oh, that'd help. Peanut wants to do his business. Ah, and he's following me above. Right, let's have a look. Don't think it'd be that door. This is stunning. Laundrette. Go on, let's have a quick nose. Oh, it's not the big laundrette. So, this is the laundrette. That's the site. Gives you, if there's an emergency, where the exits are, which they've got quite a lot, if I'm honest. The washing machines look like they're a bit rusty. £5 for the washing machine, £2.50 for the dryer. They do look a bit rusty. Oh, and there's cobwebs. There is a huge cobweb. So I am gonna, oh my God, that is my worst nightmare. You probably can't see it. Let's get out Peanut, because there's gonna be a big spider there somewhere. So there, I'm not sure you can see it, but I'm getting out. And there it is, Andy. Look at that for a view. Peanut's trying to drag me. Look at that for the sea. That is absolutely beautiful. This will be a lovely place to bring George. And Andy, you can see there in the drone, he's watching me. Probably making sure I don't fall or anything happen. Yeah, that laundrette's seen better days, I think. Beautiful. Right then, let's go back. Peanut's dragging me. Come on then, you little shit. Come on then, because you are gonna go with your daddy walkies, not having another coffee. Come on then, sausage. Oh, I've got to get back here now. Oh, I need a new body. Yes, it's been ages since we've done these kind of things, caravans, so we are looking forward to the hot tub. We've done Hems before, we've done a video. If you haven't seen it, go back and have a look. Here it is. With his drone. Peanut's eating grass. Have you got all the view? Hey. I am going to switch this off next. I'm cold, so 2 to 5.